Trying to renovate a kitchen can be a fun project that adds to the value of the home. A well-executed kitchen renovation can indeed add value to your home. Let's explore the reasons why and learn some tips to make your kitchen renovation a success. Adding value through kitchen renovation. Kitchens are often considered one of the most important rooms in a house, and potential buyers tend to place a significant emphasis on the condition and design of the kitchen when evaluating a property. Here are a few reasons why a kitchen renovation can add value to your home. Modernization. Updating an outdated kitchen with modern appliances, fixtures, and finishes can make your home more appealing to buyers. A contemporary and functional kitchen is a strong selling point. Increased functionality. Improving the layout and functionality of the kitchen can enhance the overall living experience. Buyers are more likely to pay a premium for a kitchen that makes cooking, entertaining, and daily tasks more convenient. First impressions. The kitchen is often the focal point of a home. A well-designed kitchen can create a positive first impression, setting the tone for the rest of the property. Energy efficiency. Installing energy-efficient appliances and lighting can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers and may result in long-term cost savings, which can be a selling point. Higher resale value. A kitchen renovation generally has the potential to offer a good return on investment, though the exact increase varies based on factors like the local real estate market, the quality of the renovation, and the overall condition of the property. Competitive advantage. In a competitive real estate market, having a modern, attractive kitchen can differentiate your home from others and potentially lead to a quicker sale. Approaching your kitchen renovation. However, it's important to approach a kitchen renovation with caution. Overspending on luxury upgrades or choosing very specific design elements might not provide a proportional increase in value. Here's how to proceed wisely. Set a realistic budget. Determine your spending limit, factoring in materials, labor, appliances, and potential unexpected costs. Plan ahead. Create a detailed plan, including layout changes, appliance placements, lighting, and storage solutions. Prioritize elements that provide the most value. Maximize functionality. Consider the kitchen work triangle for efficient workflow. Optimize space with smart storage solutions and proper lighting. Designing your dream kitchen. As you embark on your kitchen renovation journey, keep these 3 tips in mind when designing your dream kitchen. Decide on a kitchen style. Create a vision board with inspiring images that align with your preferred style, whether it's modern, country, minimalist, retro, or industrial. Match the style to your home's character for a cohesive look. Choosing the wrong kitchen style for your home can lead to a design that feels out of place, lacks cohesion, and may not meet your functional needs. To avoid these issues, it's essential to carefully consider your home's existing design, your personal preferences, and your functional requirements when choosing a kitchen style. If you're uncertain about which style would work best, consulting with a professional interior designer can be invaluable. They can help you find a balance between your desired aesthetic, the architecture of your home, and the functionality you need in your kitchen. Select the right color to renovate a kitchen. Explore various color options beyond traditional white. Consider shades of gray, green, beige, or peach tones for a harmonious and calming atmosphere. The color scheme sets the tone for the kitchen's ambiance and can influence your enjoyment of the area. Select the countertop. Choose a high-quality countertop that suits your needs and complements other kitchen elements. Natural stone, stainless steel, wood, concrete, and laminate are popular options. Countertops are not only a prominent visual element but also a highly used surface. Remember that countertops are a long-term investment, and making the right choice can significantly enhance your kitchen's appearance. Renovating your kitchen is a significant undertaking, but with careful planning and thoughtful design choices, it can be a rewarding experience that not only enhances your living space but also adds value to your home. Remember, working with professionals and staying flexible in your plans can lead to a successful and satisfying kitchen renovation.